A lot of you guys out there already know this. Some of you don't know this. For a lot of you, this is maybe just going to be a nice refreshing your memory type video. You'd be shocked how many lawnmowers come across my bench in a given year where the cables are damaged right here. They're crushed, they're pinched, they're broken. Today I'm going to show you why that's happening and what you can do to avoid it in the first place. Hopefully I'm going to save somebody some money out there. Bush beer? Not too bad. Thanks for tuning in to Steve's Small Engine Saloon again, guys and girls.com. Right there, that's my website. Check it out when you get a chance. I do have some quick links for you up here in the information button, as well as at the end of this video. I got some clickable thumbnails there for you too, to get you back to some of the other lawnmower videos I've done that you might be interested in. As far as today goes, I'm going to show you this right now. I have seen many customers in my life do this right in front of my own eyes while I'm helping them load something up. They'll grab this because they want to put it in their trunk of the car or in their truck, and they grab it right in front of me and they take that handle right there and jam it right forward like this, and they just jam it forward. Now, look what's happening right here. Look what just happened when I did that. I'm not pushing it any further forward than that because I will end up destroying this cable right in front of you guys. I'm not doing it though. Look at that. It's pinching right there, right at this pivot point. If I push it any further forward, I'm going to end up smashing that cable, crushing it, where it's going to be damaged now. Yeah, it still might work after you do that, but it's going to definitely hurt that cable, and you're not going to get as much life out of that cable. Right out of the box from the factory, they're folded like this. This is what you want to do. You drop that top handle down. You see how all the cables are now not getting pinched? Simple as that. Now, on the bottom half of the cable, you just do this, and the whole thing folds forward. While you're doing this though, just do pay attention to those cables so you know you're not catching them on anything or damaging them. Whole thing folds forward like that, and boom, you got it nice compacted down, just like that. You got your bag with you, you just put your bag on top of there, and now you can put it in the trunk of most cars, or on, you know, the trucks with those flat canopies on them where you have to slide it under, something like that. And it's as simple as that. You need a new cable. I do have a description at the beginning of this video that has a link on that description that take you back to a place where you can get a new cable. Quick tip here for you guys, if you're looking for that, the cable has 99% of the time it's not worn off, and you can still read the part number on the side of the cable right there. There's the part number. What can I say? Put some comments down right underneath this video, guys. Tell me what you think. Subscribe to my channel. Give me that thumbs up button, guys. Just trying to save you guys some money. Share this video with your friends. Till the next time, guys. Steve out.